Well, a lot of Americans struggle with vision, as you know, Spencer, and if you're one of them, Eyecare is ready to help. They help each of their patients achieve their vision goals with cutting-edge technologies, and they all have years of experience.
Yeah, they absolutely do. And in this sponsored segment, I had the chance to go to one of their locations, learn more about a procedure called the clear lens exchange, which you've learned a lot about too. And I actually got to chat with one of the patients who had it done. Take a look. Today we are at Eyecare. I'm sitting next to Dr. Kim again. We're talking about a procedure that's called CLE, clear lens exchange. Dr. Kim, tell me all about it. What is it?
So it is a type of surgery that one might choose to correct their vision, and it's doing vision correction, not at the front layer of the eye, which is LASIK or PRK. It's instead going to the lens, which is inside the eye, removing that human lens and replacing it with a synthetic lens. And we can use lenses that will allow folks to see far and up close without needing any glasses.
And once someone has this procedure, do they have the clear eyesight forever? How does this work?
Yeah, so that is one of the advantages of this type of surgery, is that when you remove the human lens and replace it with a synthetic lens, your vision stays very stable for the rest of your life. Whereas with LASIK type surgeries, which are on the surface of the eye, if work is done there to correct your vision, you still have the internal human lens that will age over time, thus your vision changes.
So let's talk about who's a candidate for this. Is it just about anybody, or are there people who are not?
Well, typically it's for a patient who is, I hate to say this, but a little older, someone who, for instance, maybe can still see pretty well far but has lost the ability to see up close. So those aging eyes that require reading glasses, you know, that brings a lot of frustration to people. So that's a great candidate, someone who's mid-50s, hates wearing the reading glasses, maybe even needs full-time glasses now for the first time. They will opt to have this surgery because the lens allows them to see far and up close without glasses. You can also be nearsighted, but sometimes when you're older, you put your contacts in to see far and you lose your near. That happens with age. So you can choose a lens that will correct your vision so you can see far without contacts, but it also has a magnification component so you can see up close.
And we're actually going to be talking to one of your patients today, someone that actually also works for Eyecare, and she's one of your patients too.
Yes, it's very exciting.
Yeah.
Well, I've always been extremely nearsighted, and I'd been in contacts or glasses my entire life. And I was looking for a way to get out of them. I was not a candidate for LASIK because I was a tad too old, but the next step would have been the CLE. And I needed a very specific lens, and the lens I have is a multifocal lens that keeps me completely out of glasses. And the option, just the idea of that was very exciting to me. I saw 20/20 the day after my procedure, throwing away my contacts, throwing away my glasses. I worked the very next day, something we highly do not recommend to patients because we do want them to take a break. They've just had a procedure done on their eyes. And I have been ecstatic with my results.
You know, if you had a message as to why they should just come in for a consult, what would that message be?
My message would be that we have vision correction surgeries available to all ages, I would say above 18. And it's not one size fits all, it's very customized, and so you're not going to know what the perfect procedure available to you until you come in and see us, so we can take measurements, get to know how you use your vision, what is important to you. So come on in and see us and we can customize it for you.
All right, I love it. Dr. Kim, thanks for having our Great Day Colorado squad in here. We appreciate you. We're going to give you some more information right now on JDC. Have it. Well, Eyecare offers comprehensive eye care, LASIK, vision correction, and cataract procedures. They have locations in Denver, Lone Tree, Golden, Westminster, Aurora, and Parker. Pretty much everywhere, Chris.
Oh, yeah.
To learn more, give them a call, 720-524-1001, or visit them online, eyeconeyecare.com. We want to say thank you again to Dr. Kim and, of course, Eyecare for sponsoring this segment.